Unlocking the secrets of woodcrafting, the Wood Lathe. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of craftsmanship and exploring a fascinating tool known as the Wood Lathe. Whether you're a language learner, a budding craftsman, or simply curious, you're in the right place to learn about this term. A wood lathe is a machine used in woodworking to create symmetrical objects with intricate designs. It's a tool that rotates a piece of wood on its axis to allow various operations such as cutting, sanding, drilling, or deformation with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about an axis of rotation. Imagine it like a potter's wheel, but for wood, allowing the creation of beautifully crafted items such as table legs, bowls, and bats. The wood lathe has a rich history, dating back to ancient Egypt. However, it wasn't until the Industrial Revolution that the wood lathe really evolved with the addition of a cutting tool that didn't require manual operation. This innovation significantly advanced the capabilities and complexity of what could be created with a wood lathe. Understanding a wood lathe involves knowing its key components. Here they are: headstock. This is the fixed part that holds one end of the wood in place. Tailstock. The movable counterpart to the headstock, it secures the other end of the wood. Tool rest. A platform for the craftsman to rest their tools on while shaping the wood. Bed. The frame that supports both the headstock and tailstock. Wood lathes are used to create objects that are cylindrical in shape. From simple candlesticks to complex furniture pieces, the wood lathe is versatile. It requires skill and practice to use effectively, but it offers a satisfying experience when you see the final product emerge from a raw piece of wood. Here are some terms that are commonly used in conjunction with a wood lathe. Turning. The process of shaping the wood while it is being rotated on the lathe. Chisel. A sharp tool used for cutting and shaping the wood on the lathe. Spindle. The main rotating shaft that the wood is attached to. And that, dear viewers, is a brief look at the wood lathe. It's not just a tool. It's a gateway to creating beautiful works of art and functional items. We hope this video has shed light on this remarkable device and the terminology associated with it. Keep practicing your English and maybe one day, you'll find yourself describing